The most popular activities to lose weight are running, jogging, and using a treadmill, according to statistics. But there are also some effective ways to train at home without having to buy special equipment. The main thing to remember is to do things the right way. We have found some powerful exercises that could be useful and effective for you. Here are 5 workout exercises to do at home for absolute beginners. Number 1. Planks. Planks are one of the most effective exercises you can do. Why? Because they require a small time investment on your part and offer the chance to achieve substantial results in a relatively short span of time. By holding yourself in the position for a planking exercise, you'll notice that your biceps, abs, neck, and shoulder muscles are also being tested and strained. This is encouraging their build-up and development. Hold this position for 10 seconds to start. Over time, work up to 30, 45 or 60 seconds. Number 2. Jumping jacks. One of the key benefits of jumping jacks is that they are the ultimate cardio exercise. Jumping jacks work on the entire body, making for a great exercise that contributes to weight loss all over. It works on the legs, abdomen, belly area and arms, allowing for weight loss in these areas. They increase your metabolism and burn a whole lot of calories. A beginner can ideally start with about 3 sets of 10 jumping jacks each, spaced out with other low-impact exercises. Number 3. Squats. The squat is a dynamic strength training exercise that requires several muscles in your upper and lower body to work together simultaneously. Many of these muscles help power you through daily tasks such as walking, climbing stairs, bending, or carrying heavy loads. They also help you perform athletic-related activities. Adding squats to your workouts can help boost your exercise performance, decrease your risk of injury, and keep you moving more easily throughout the day. But these are just a few of the benefits. If you're new to doing squats, aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Practicing a few days a week is a great place to start. Number 4. Push-ups. Traditional push-ups are beneficial for building upper body strength. They work the triceps, pectoral muscles, and shoulders. When done with proper form, they can also strengthen the lower back and core by engaging the abdominal muscles. Push-ups are a fast and effective exercise for building strength. They can be done from virtually anywhere and don't require any equipment. Doing push-ups every day can be effective if you're looking for a consistent exercise routine to follow. You will likely notice gains in upper body strength if you do push-ups regularly. Start with 10 push-ups, or however many you can do with proper form, and work your way up as you build strength. Number 5. The V-sit. The V-sit ab exercise builds core strength by working multiple areas of the core at the same time, while also challenging your balance. In this exercise, you sit with legs extended and torso off the ground, your body forming a V-shape. If you are a beginner, you can modify it to use a bit of assistance from your hands or do it with bent legs. You are not alone if you are unable to do more than 10 to 12 of the V-sit ab exercise before you reach failure. Feeling the burn means the exercise is working. Good luck. Enjoyed what you watched? Give us a like and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We'll see you next time.